Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or solve your Twitter app. To know how to fix or solve your Twitter app, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will enter to Twitter. Here in this page of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. Then we will enter to storage. After that we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can make errors on your app. In the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again, and you can turn off your phone too. And these steps, as you see, to fix your problems on Twitter. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and you are watching.